If you're looking for more font options than what you see on screen with the Pfaff Creative icon, which actually is quite a few, it's quite extensive actually on this machine. Some machines have like one font in 3 sizes. But with Pfaff's website, if you head over to their website, there is a complimentary software that you can download, and in it is something called Quilt Font. This has been free from day one, and it allows you to create fonts, computer fonts, that turn into embroidery fonts. So any of those fonts that you see in your computer, in that long laundry list of fonts that you might have when you open up something that you're typing, like a letter, those fonts can be embroidered, and they can be embroidered at different sizes. So it is something that if you go over to like 101freefonts.com, download a font, create the font into stitches, that it will show up right here on the list and allow you to have many more options. Unlimited options. So that is one thing I love about the Pfaff company. This program is free and you can download it on either a Mac or a PC.